volcanoes, earthquakes, and tidal waves.
In this chapter, you will learn about volcanoes, earthquakes, and tidal waves.
Now, let's get back to Earth.
Yes, sir.
What are natural calamities?
Earthquakes?
Yes, but there's more than that.
Volcanoes. Volcanoes are cracks in the Earth's crust out of which molten magma erupts. Volcanoes are usually in the form of conical mountains. Active volcanoes are those that may erupt any time or have erupted in the recent past. Mount Vesuvius, Mount Fuji, and Mount Erebus are some well-known volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes are those that have not erupted in a long time but may erupt in the future. Extinct volcanoes are those that have stopped erupting. When underground water gets heated up by hot rocks beneath the Earth's surface, it rises up through cracks and it is called a hot spring. When these springs come out with force, they are called geysers. Earthquakes. The point under the ground where the earthquake begins is called the focus, and the corresponding spot on the surface is the epicenter. After the first big quake, smaller quakes or tremors may happen. These are called aftershocks. Earthquakes can also happen under the sea. Measuring an earthquake. How strong a quake was is determined using an instrument called seismograph. Most common is the Richter scale. Tidal waves are caused by undersea earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and landslides.